Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix white icons on desktop PC laptop. When you access the desktop, you can see the blank icon. To fix it, in the search box, enter %app data %, open the folder. Here in app data, open the local folder. When you access, click on View and Show, check that the Hidden Items option is enabled. After this, select the file, icon cache DB, click on Delete. When you do, open the Task Manager. There, select the Windows Explorer. When you select it, click on Restart Task. When the environment is loaded again, you will be able to see that the icon has been recovered on the desktop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.